Hello everyone, my name is Nathanol Lapitpan. Victoria Beckham, a member of the Spiker, is one should count as a wealthy young lady, and however she lost office when she was cast wearing a counterfeit Louis Vuitton bag, prompting the designer to send her a reality. Back in the 2000s, Victoria Beckham was one of the most sought-after women in the world. Not only was she in a singer in a popular girl group, but she was also dating a famous footballer, David Beckham. At the time, she faced heavy criticism. Foggy Louis Vuitton graffiti. Ultimate breakfast shopping is mentioned. David Beckham of the World Musical the band and creative director immediately recognized the fake from a photo and of letter to send her the real back. Victoria Beckham on the first cat. Reality Daddy and the reminiscences about her time as a member of the Spiker saying of the photo with the bag. This is not a genuine Louis Vuitton bag. In a fake and magical, the creative director Louis Vuitton at the time contacted me. When he saw this picture, he has I send you the real thing because it's an insult. It's not as luxury real as you think. Victoria Beckham admits she is trying to keep her reputation alive now that her sitting career is the world in the hasn't made a name for herself in the fashion world. Why do you care to your fake handbag the 50-year-old designer longer and to you that thing to her generous husband? She has no maintained that she not at least on social media. This one I feel living. Daddy here plus her regular sister. Her in a low lazy with sparkle and attention and discourse about her when she then made deny as kind machine just on the ordinary kitchen class family.